Come chat with me. The Jamaica College Old Boys Association of New York held their annual Griffin Awards at the SVA Theater in New York City. Alternate Reality at Little Kids Rocks, New York City. Jam Fest at Elsewhere in Williamsburg.
Passion of ours that helps bring communities together, and that's how we form a band.
Celebrity PR Mary Driven's birthday extravaganza at Ayati. Lowell Arthur to be featured as an immigrant hero on CBS Sunday morning show Hidden Heroes. Walking trophies, hood celebrity who recently signed to Epic Records. You're watching Come Chat With Me, a Caribbean lifestyle magazine, and I'm your host, Ziggie Bless. The Griffin Awards, the Griffies, is an annual event held by the Jamaica College Old Boys Association of New York. The Griffies celebrates the achievements of Jamaicans and friends of Jamaica at home and abroad. The Griffin Awards, an exciting evening celebrating accomplished individuals who exemplify qualities emblematic of strength, boldness, courage, leadership, wisdom, selfless service, and excellence. The hallmarks of Jamaica College for over 220 years through their personal accomplishments, professional achievements, and exemplary societal contribution. Her Excellency Audrey Marks, Jamaica's ambassador to the USA, was the patron. Karen Chung was the master of ceremonies. Honorable Andrew Wheatley, Minister of Science, Energy and Technology for Jamaica, was the special guest and honoree. Other distinguished honorees included Butch Hendrickson, Chairman and CEO, Continental Baking Company, Dr. Robin Chutkin, gastroenterologist and author, Vanessa Noel, celebrity shoe designer and philanthropist, Patrick Simpson, celebrity chef and philanthropist, Dr. William Foster, art surgeon and philanthropist, Dr. Dwight Williams, maxillofacial surgeon, Dr. Paul Lindo, orthodontist. This edition of the Griffies celebrated the 42nd anniversary of Jamaica's timeless classic film, Smile Orange. Written and directed by Jamaica's greatest dramatist and storyteller, Trevor Rowe, was screened during the ceremony.
My name is Karen Chung. I am the Executive Director of the American Friends of Jamaica here in New York City. I am delighted to be here celebrating the Griffin Awards in honor of the Jamaica College Old Boys Association. The work they're doing with robotics and STEM in Jamaica to support and advance programs in STEM is just remarkable.
Our mission is to transform Jamaican education to a 21st century focus, and in that we're partnered with the Ministry of Education, and we're introducing a whole range of STEM education modules throughout the Jamaican school system, starting with robotics.
I'm very happy to be here. This is an important event recognizing the achievements of especially the old boys from JC and others in the community. It's a good thing. It encourages even more involvement. And of course, all of the funds raised is going towards education, especially the robotics program and other STEM programs. And this is something that as a government we really welcome, because we believe investing in education is the way to invest in our future. So I'm very happy to be here and to support this event.
I'm here in New York with a lot of friends, my old university town, so it's really an honor. I look forward to it very much. And I wish everybody here a good evening, and I would like to congratulate my fellow awardees and thank the committee for considering me.
Hi, I'm Dr. Robin Chutkan. It is an incredible honor and thrill for me to be here receiving a Griffin Award as a woman of distinction from the Jamaica College Old Boys Association. My father, Dr. Winston Chutkan, is a Jamaica College Old Boy, and really if it weren't for JC, I wouldn't be here today.
Yes, I am here at the Griffin Award, and I tell you, it's a pleasure for me to be here, to be called Ambassador to Jamaica, Brand Ambassador to Jamaica, and I'm receiving the award tonight. And listen, my work just started for me, but you know what? It's a pleasure because this is what I do. It's all about uplifting and inspire and motivate, and this is what it is.
Hi, my name is Dr. Paul Lindo. I'm being honored here tonight for my work that I've done throughout the last 25 years as volunteer work and my support to my alma mater, Jamaica College.
It's always welcoming to see members of the diaspora contributing to the development back home. In this particular instance, the cause is for the development of the appreciation for the STEM subjects in schools, and this whole matter of robotics that they are pushing in the high schools, not only at JC, is something that's commendable because it speaks to unearthing the innovative capacity for people, and that's what we are all about. Jamaicans, whenever they are part of anything, we usually excel.
Hi, my name is Giovanni Williams. I'm from Kingston, Jamaica. I currently study viola performance at the Lynn Conservatory of Music in Florida, and I was invited to play at the 45th anniversary or the 25th of the Griffins Award here put on by the JC Old Boys Association, and I just have to say I was absolutely thrilled to have played. Thank you so much for them for inviting me. I did a medley of some of our Jamaican favorites and classics, and I mean I always love to play, and I love when my audience gets involved. You know, it's always a good feeling, you know, that I'm able to, you know, lift the spirits of the audience through music, and it was a great honor. I'm maroon and gold, you know, by blood, but I'm just happy that the JC family has, you know, kind of inducted me into their family, and I can honestly say that, you know, what they have done and what they continue to do, you know, for not just their own students, but just for Jamaica in general, it's just so inspiring, and it's really very commendable, and I'm just so happy, you know, to be a part of the, you know, the JC families.
The annual New York City Jam Fest series brings modern band students from across the city together in an end-of-year concert celebration showcasing the talents of the next generation of music makers. We feature the all-girl high school band Alternate Reality.
Little Kids Rock is a national music ed nonprofit that provides music teachers that are already in the classroom with the tools and resources and curriculum to bring popular music styles to the students that they serve. So popular music styles can be pop, rock, hip-hop, electronic music, world music from their homeland, just anything that they're interested in. We want to be able to give the students in schools that kind of experience. This event that we're at right here and elsewhere in Brooklyn is our New York City Jam Fest, and we actually have Jam Fest all across the country in our different major cities that we're a part of. It's not a fundraiser for us, it's just an opportunity to get different groups of students performing on stage, give them a real rock experience, give them a real experience to play for groups of their peers, their friends and family, and just really celebrate the end of the year.
Hello, lovely folks at Comechatwidmi. My name is Martine, and I'm a music teacher at Harvest Collegiate High School up in Union Square in Manhattan. I am so honored and lucky to teach this amazing group of young women called Alternate Reality. They're all 10th graders. They're about to be, as of tomorrow at 12:45, they're about to be rising juniors, and they're literally one of the most talented and dopest group of people I've ever had the honor and pleasure to teach. actually, I can't even say that I've taught them music because they kind of just do it on their own. They get together during their lunches and they get together right after school and they grab the instruments and they pick everything they're gonna do and they just do it and they work hard at it. And then me and a couple other people in my team, in the music team, we just give them a couple little suggestions and tell them a couple little things, but mostly we just stay out of the way and let them lead because they're already up there.
Hi, my name is Jordan and I play the drums.
I'm Morgan and I play bass.
I'm Haley and I'm the singer.
And I'm Ren and I play guitar.
And we are Alternate Reality! We got the name Alternate Reality because when you play music, it takes you to another reality. You become a different person. It takes you out of like your sadness and all of that.
It's just a really great feeling.
Yeah, it helps because music is such a strong passion of ours. It helps bring communities together, and that's how we formed the band because we were like, hey, let's form a group of all 10th graders, all females, all people of color. Like, let's do this, guys. I don't think that's represented enough.
We're like very opposite from each other, but we all have that one thing in common, which is music. And just like Beyonce has like Sasha Fierce, you have a different persona when you play music. So yeah, Alternate Reality, yeah.
It took us kind of a while to come up with a good name, but we got it. It took like a week or two maybe, but
I think it took 3 weeks, to be honest.
Just like writing a bunch of random.
Yeah, we went through a lot of different names. Yeah.
We started out with covers because we're a new band, we're just trying to get the feel for each other, right? And I think we're going to start making our own songs over the summer.
Yeah, as she just said, we're doing covers right now because we wanted to look towards our inspirations. So we are very, I guess, pop-based group, you could say. But we are looking towards doing our own stuff. Like tonight, that's a song I started writing. But we decided to actually make that the beginning because we think that's a really interesting way to introduce the band.
I write songs, I dance, and I draw, and I also play the piano. So that's what I do.
I really love music, but stuff other than music, I like modeling a lot and like fashion. I like to do sports. I'm on a swim team and just all my life just active. And yeah, I'm just stop there because I can go on forever. Oh, I also did my hair. Do you guys like that? I did my hair. I'm a hairstylist too.
Well, all my life I've basically been doing music. I grew up playing the piano. I used to love singing for my family and just everyone. I used to play a lot of sports in middle school, and I used to do gymnastics and soccer specifically.
I'm not as cool. I play a lot of video games. I also happen to do a lot of sports, as Morgan also does. I've been pretty active all my life, but recently I've been looking to get into a new sort of exercise or some sort of interesting class. I think that would be fun to try out.
Good advice, I guess, would be making sure you have a good relationship with your bandmates, because if you don't, it'll be hard to work with each other, even though I guess we get on each other's nerves sometimes, but because we're good friends, we know how to work it out. And I guess just feeding off of each other's energy and come up with good music or do good covers, and yeah.
Okay, I think definitely for an upcoming band that you should find a lot of time to practice and make sure everybody knows what they need to do in the practice. Like, you need to, when you're home, if you have your instrument that you play, then practice your part so then you're ready to come to when y'all actually practice, in school. For us, you guys know what to do and make the practice effective, because we only have 45 minutes a day, so it's really short on time, sometimes after school too. But make sure you know what your part is in making this band whole.
Yeah, definitely. Like Morgan said, we only have 45 minutes and we only practice twice a week, which is really challenging. But I think, as cliche as it sounds, just have fun with it and don't overthink everything. Just get to know each other and you really grow and learn.
And I think a lot of it is, one, be direct, network, get someone else to help you out. We have our teacher helping us out, which we're very thankful for. We have Martine, he's all the way back there, he's talking. And also, as Haley said, have fun with it. Make sure you voice yourself, because if you don't voice what you want to do as in part of the band, you aren't going to have fun.
Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment has partnered with A+ to produce a short weekly segment highlighting immigrant heroes for the CBS Sunday morning show, Hidden Heroes. Every week, they profile a different hero originally from another country, who has done something incredible in the United States. The heroic segment, featuring his interactions with co-workers, family members, franchisees, and a scholarship recipient, will air at 10:30 a.m. on the CW network, Channel 11, on July 14th, 2018.
Hello, ladies.
Everybody that works for Golden Cross is family, and the company embraces the community wholeheartedly. My parents started a bakery in Jamaica. In 1989, we opened our first bakery on Gunnell Road in the Bronx. Today we have a facility that is able to produce close to 300,000 patties a day. And this will impact not only this generation, but generation to come.
Yeah, man, you don't know where they are. Come chat with me. We're in at the Ziggie Bless, yeah. And where they were? Marriage driven birthday extravaganza. Managing partner of Playbook MG, celebrity publicist Mary Jiven held her birthday extravaganza at Ayati Lounge in the East Village. Yeah, man, come chat with me. We're there in the building. And look come around in the building. Karima is also in the building. What's up, my friend?
Not much here. Representing for Marie on our birthday, our Earth Strong.
A real thing, man, a real thing. We love the vibes, man. What the vibe? I'm waiting about the vibes so far.
It's go on good. Marie look like a whole bag of snacks.
A real thing, man. Alright, real quick, let's shout out to Marie and thing. Let's big her up, man.
I just want to say happy birthday to Marie. You are an amazing and beautiful person inside and out, and continue to bless up yourself every time.
Marie driven, big year-to-year celebrity birthday bash. Shout out to my favorite Gemini right here. Marie driven, how you feeling tonight?
You my favorite Gemini too, but I'm hot, I'm nice, I'm good.
Just want to say happy birthday to Marie Driven. You know, Playbook, you know what time it is, man. My celebrity PR, happy birthday. Wish you many more to come from my whole 3KZ family.
I've been an event stylist since 2008. It's a passion, I love it. I do events for everyone and celebrities. I'm Coco and Ice-T's event planner. Nice. And I enjoy it, I love it.
Tonight, you are the designer for Marie's Driven Extravaganza. Tell us a little bit about it. What's the inspiration behind it tonight?
Her elegance. She's elegant, she's classy, and I wanted it sexy, elegant, and classy for her.
So that's why you choose purple and what, gold?
Purple and gold and diamonds.
Yeah, man, you don't know, come chat with me. We're there in a man in Ayati, without a doubt. And we're here for Marie birthday extravaganza. And I'm standing next to the lovely lady herself right now. Marie, what go on?
It's my birthday, guys. It's Marie Driven, the ultimate celebrity publicist. I mean, I'm international. What do you expect?
A real thing, man. So all the vibes that go on, cause my upright and know. Are you loving the vibes so far?
I love it. My decor girl just killed it. My hairstylist, Kay. my hairstylist Miriam. I mean, they brought me together. My stylist Kadir. I mean, I'm just living life right now. This is amazing.
Loving the vibes. I'm having fun. Yeah. You know, a couple of drinks. I'm feeling nice.
A real thing, man.
Yeah.
A real thing. Tell us a little bit about yourself with some of the people you work with and all of that good stuff.
I mean, a lot of people know me from producing a record, Ether for Nas, you know, Pop Champagne, A-Rap Money with me and Busta, those some of the records I produce, you know?
A real thing, man. Yo, a lot of celebrity in the house there. And a Marie-driven thing we want to expect. How long have you been belly dancing now?
I have been dancing since 2002, on and off, and full-time professional since 2012.
Okay. And what brings you into belly dancing? Why belly dancing?
It's something that I've always been attracted to and always loved. It's something inside my heart that feels the rhythm. I feel connected. Maybe it's a past life connection. I'm not really sure, but something inside of me. I don't know. Got to do it.
All right, thank you very much. Can you pass a little move for us, for our TV, for our audience, please?
I'll do a shimmy. And I just want to say happy birthday to Marie.
Happy birthday to you.
We congratulate Walking Trophies, Hood Celebrity, who recently signed to Epic Records. Another victory for dancehall.
I go by the name of Celebrity. I'm a reggae artist, which right now I merge over to the reggae trap. Right. And I was actually born in Jamaica, raised in New York, the Bronx. Ooh. I came here when I was 12, so.
What? Bronx in the house, Jamaica in the house. Whoop whoop. All right, so give us a little feel for. I know you said it's a little mix of the reggae and the rap and the this and the that. Yeah, the dancehall. But like, how do we know what that actually sounds and feels like? Are you willing to give us a little sample?
Yeah, well, I actually call it trap reggae. We have a song called Takeover. So it's like, many girl wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and me can't see. Cause me try to be what my destiny be. But bitches try to take my life away. They might try me, but me flex pon them. They might talk, but me deaf pon them. Violate me, I go step on them. Straight gas, no brakes, me, I go press pon them.
Thanks for watching Come Chat With Me. See you next week.
Simply kills.
Jamaica is a nice place to live. We have everything, the sunshine, the rivers, and the good Ray and Nephew rum.
Come chat with me. Come chat with me.